Let's start with our new lesson, statistics. The first topic in this lesson is your bar diagram. You must have already studied about the bar diagram. Let's take a quick example. The given table represents the cities and the number of projects in the cities. So we need to represent this chart in the bar diagram. So what we do is we take our x-axis and the y-axis. On the x-axis we represent cities, whereas on the y-axis we represent the number of projects. Consider Delhi. It has 50 projects in it. So I'll draw a bar of 50 above the name of Delhi. In the same way, Nagpur has 40 projects. I'll draw the bar of 40 above Nagpur. Mumbai has 70 projects, a bar of 70. And the Bangalore has 30 projects. So this is a simple bar diagram. Now let's take a quick look at another example. Here, the year 2000 to 2001 has permanent roads built in it as well as the temporary roads. Now a simple bar diagram cannot represent two types of data in a single bar. So what we need to do in this is we have to draw a subdivided bar diagram. Well, what is subdivided bar diagram? Let's start with this example. First of all, I need to add the permanent as well as the temporary roads. So for the year 2000 to 2001, the permanent roads are 14, the temporary roads are 10. So the total comes to 24. In the same way, I need to get the total of all the years. Once you get the total, once you are prepared with your table, now you can start with your x-axis and the y-axis. Just in the case of bar diagram, we drew the cities on the x-axis, so we need to now represent the years on the x-axis, whereas the kilometers on the y-axis. Now, the year 2000 to 2001 has 24 lakh kilometers built in it. So I'll draw the bar of 24 above the year 2000 to 2001. Out of 24, 14 are the permanent roads. 14 lakh kilometers are the permanent roads. So what I'll do is, in the same bar, I'll draw a line at a height of 14. So the below portion represents the permanent roads, whereas the above portion represents the temporary roads. In the same way, I'll continue with this next year as well. For the year 2001 to 2002, the total kilometer roads is 26, whereas the below portion represents the permanent roads, that is 15. In the same way, I have to complete the graph for the other 2 years as well. So this type of bar diagram, which is divided into two or more parts, is called as a subdivided bar diagram.